Well, your question says, beauty pageants are sometimes criticized for reinforcing traditional beauty standards. How would you redefine the purpose of such competitions in modern India?
A very good evening to judges and everyone present here tonight. People often took beauty pageant as for someone who have good figure, for someone who have good face, or for the gowns we wore and the makeup. But it's way more bigger than that. It's a platform for sharing the voice for the voiceless. Let's take a deep moment for all my 47 co-contestants from different states, bringing up different advocacy for the state, for the nation, and for globally, for a betterment of our society. I was a victim of multiple cyber harassment for speaking up for women, for children, and for peace. But today, in front of all these beautiful people around me, I stood in front of you with turning every pain into power to inspire generations to come. Thank you.